Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to create and publish our own Python package to PyPy. So we will start by understanding what is PyPy, and then we create a simple package locally, and finally we publish it on PyPy so that anyone can install it using pip. So let's start by understanding what is PyPy. PyPy stands for Python Package Index. It is a repository of software that allows developers to share and distribute Python package. If you have ever installed a library using pip install, you have already interacted with PyPy. By publishing our package, we are adding it to this global repository for other to use. And now let's move on to creating our package. Before we dive into code, let's first understand the structure of our Python package. So you can see the structure on your screen, where first we have the root directory of our project. It contains all the files required for our package, and inside the root folder, we have the actual package folder with the same name. So this contains our Python code and logic. And inside the main package directory, we have a init.py file. This file tells Python that this folder should be treated as a package. And then we add modules in this directory with the functionality. And then we have setup.py file in our root directory. This file includes metadata like package name, version, and dependencies. Then we have readme.md that contain documentation for the package. Now we have a clear understanding of the structure of a package. So let's start creating this step by step. To create and publish a Python package, we need few essential tools. Let's install them first. Now let's take a look into a setup.py file. So this file contains all the metadata and configurations of our Python package. So first we have the name of our package. It should be unique on PyPy. And then we have version. So make sure to increase the version when you update your package. And now we have a short description that describes what our Python package does. And then we have long description that contain detailed description of our package. So I'm going to open the readme file and pass it into the long description. And then we have set the format of our long description, and now we have packages that automatically find Python packages in our project. And then we can specify the minimum Python version required for using this package. And in the install requires, you can list any external dependencies your package needs. So this is all about the setup.py file. And now let's start creating modules and functionality of our Python package. To create functionality of our Python package, we can add modules in our package located in the root folder. So I have created utils.py file, and in this file, we have a function that converts a string from lowercase to uppercase. Now we are going to upload this Python package to PyPy. You need to run following command in your project root directory. So after running this command, it created a source distribution and wheel file and stored it in this folder. So we are going to upload this folder. To upload our Python package on PyPy, we are going to use Twine. So first you need to install Twine, and then go to pypy.org and create an account here and get the API token. And after getting the token, you can set it as an environment variable in your terminal. And now let's run this command in your terminal to upload your distribution folder on PyPy. So if you have set your token as an environment variable in your terminal, it will not ask you for your credentials after running this command. And now you can see our Python package is successfully uploaded on PyPy. Okay, you can see we have uploaded the first version of our Python package, and now let's install it in a fresh environment and use the function and modules of this package. I have created a new environment, and there is no package installed right now in this environment, so we can install our package using this command. So let's copy this command. Nestgen helper package is installed. You can check using pip list. So here is the package, and now let's create a new file where we are going to use the function from our Python package. So first, let's import it. So in our Nestgen helper package, we have a module utils, and inside that module, we have a function to uppercase. So this function will return the uppercase version of this string. And now let's run this. And you can see we get Nestgen in uppercase, means we have successfully created a package, uploaded it on PyPy, and we have used the package, and it is working great. And now if you want to add some changes in your package, we can update our package and add additional functionalities. For example, in the Nestgen helper package, we can add another function that will convert a string from uppercase to lowercase. And now again, we need to upload this package on PyPy. Make sure to increase the version of this package. Also, you can update your description and your documentation. And now we need to rebuild the distribution files by running this command. And then we need to upload this version on PyPy. So it was not recording the screen when it get uploaded. So basically version 0.2 is already uploaded on PyPy. Just to show you, I'm going to update this version again. I'm going to update the version 0.3 And you can see version 0.3 is successfully uploaded on PyPy, and you can check it on browser that we have the latest version 0.3, and you can check the release history for the version. So if we use this command to install NestGen helper, it will automatically install the latest version. So first uninstall the older version, and then we can install the latest version of NestGen helper package. So you can see 0.3 is installed, and now let's import another function that we added in the updated version. So basically this function will convert the string into lowercase, and now let's run the script. So you can see both the function are working. So we successfully updated our Python package. So if you found this video useful, like the video and subscribe to get more content like this.